Welcome to our video about the 7 biggest megaprojects in the world, from the tallest statue in India to an exact replica of Paris in China. Get ready to be amazed by these unique projects. But before we begin, remember that if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to let us know what you think. Let's get started. We kick off our list at number 7 with the MSG Sphere in Las Vegas. The Madison Square Garden Sphere is a new music and entertainment venue currently under construction. The Sphere will stand at 112 meters tall and 157 meters at its widest point, making it the largest sphere in the world. Inside, it will have 17,500 seats for concerts, shows, and other entertainment experiences. The goal is to make it fully immersive, using motion, sound, visual effects, scent, and temperature to captivate the audience. Moreover, it will feature the world's largest LED screen with an insane resolution of 19,000 by 13,500, wrapping the audience in a completely immersive experience. The exterior will also be entirely covered in screens that can transform the sphere into anything for passers-by, including Christmas displays, events, or even Earth itself. The MSG Sphere is designed to be the ultimate immersive entertainment experience in Las Vegas, and it's expected to open to the public in 2023. Moving on to number 6, we have the Statue of Unity in Kevadia, India. This commemorative statue is the tallest in the world, standing at a total height of 240 meters. The statue represents Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an important figure in Indian history, and it is 110 times taller than an average human. It is also 6 times taller than the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, 38 meters, over 2.5 times taller than the Statue of Liberty, 93 meters, and much taller than the second tallest statue in the world, the Spring Temple Buddha in China. The Statue of Unity includes a museum, exhibition area, memorial gardens, and an observation gallery. Approximately 15,000 tourists visit the statue daily. The complete construction of the statue, including all safety measures, cost 27,000 million rupees or $422 million. Number 5 presents the Pont Jacques Chabas Delmas vertical lift bridge in Bordeaux, France. This vertical lift bridge is an engineering marvel and features a unique design. Construction began in 2009, and it was inaugurated in 2013. With 4 pylons and a lift span of 117 meters between them, the bridge stretches 575 meters, making it the longest vertical lift bridge in Europe. The bridge has 2 lanes for cars and 2 lanes for bicycles and pedestrians. Its impressive structure has earned several international engineering and design awards. At number 4, we have the Pyongyang Metro in North Korea. This underground metro system is one of the deepest in the world and is known for its unique and extravagant architecture. The metro has a total length of 110 kilometers and 17 stations, becoming a popular tourist attraction for those visiting North Korea. The metro stations are designed with futuristic architecture and feature large mosaic murals and bronze statues celebrating the country's glory. One station even serves as a museum showcasing the nation's achievements in science and technology. Number 3 takes us to the Bosco Verticale in Milan, Italy. This unique architectural project was designed by Italian architect Stefano Boeri and consists of 2 residential towers completely covered in trees and plants. The idea behind the vertical forest is to create a livable space that also contributes to improving air quality in the city. The trees and plants in the towers are grown in large pots and help purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. The Bosco Verticale has received several international architecture awards and is considered a landmark in green building construction. At number 2, we find the Abraj Al Bait Clock Tower in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. This tower is the third tallest structure in the world, standing at a height of 601 meters. The Abraj Al Bait Tower is also the largest building in the world by floor area, with a total area of 1.4 million square meters. The building houses a luxury hotel, shopping centers, restaurants, and a prayer center. The clock located on the tower is the largest clock in the world, with a height of 43 meters. The construction of the Abraj Al Bait Tower was controversial due to the demolition of the historic old city of Mecca, but it remains an impressive architectural achievement. Finally, at number 1, we have the Arcosanti project in Arizona, United States. This architectural project was created in the 1970s by Italian architect Paolo Soleri and features a unique design that seeks harmonious interaction between humans and nature. Arcosanti is built with sustainable materials and incorporates solar panels and water recycling systems. The goal of the city is to be self-sufficient and have no negative impact on the environment. It includes residences, public buildings, green spaces, and an amphitheater. Although still under construction, Arcosanti is recognized as one of the most innovative and sustainable projects in the world. That concludes our list of the 7 biggest megaprojects in the world. We hope you've enjoyed this selection of unique and extravagant projects from around the world. Which of these projects impressed you the most? Would you like to visit any of them? Leave us a comment below and share your thoughts. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.